Welcome back, guys. All right, well, that's exactly what I needed. My last video, confidence booster, and now we're on some fishing trips. So I'm exploring the river right now, and I'm gonna see if I can locate some brown trout. Got a lot of thicket we gotta get through, and then the river's right there. So let's go see. Let's see what we can hook into. I brought one rod. I got one of my favorite lures tied on, so let's see what happens. But first we gotta get through this. There it is, beautiful day. It's absolutely a gorgeous morning. So let's see if we can get on some fish. We're gonna be targeting some brown trout, but hopefully we can catch some other fish. Maybe a rainbow. Who knows? Let's see what we can hook into. First fish of the trip, nice brown trout. I'm gonna let it go. Let him get hooked. Let him get his breath back. Give him a minute. Hooked up, guys, fish. Woohoo! All right, fish number 2. See what we got. Feels like a nice one, but he's in the current, so I can't really tell right now. And I got an ultralight pull. Oh, yep, another brown. There we go, guys. Another beautiful brown trout right there. This one's a little bit bigger than the last one. It's about 14 inches, I would say. He put up a good fight. Gorgeous brown trout. Beautiful. Got beautiful colors on them. It's about a 14, 15 inch fish. He fought really good, but I'm set up right here on some riffles where the river comes into a pile of rocks, and it gets really fast right here, and there's a lot of current. And when they get in that current and fight like that, they fight crazy. They fight pretty hard. Sometimes it's kind of hard to judge how big they are. Gotta let him get his breath right here, and just let him go when he's ready. There it goes. That was freaking awesome. Fish number 2, just on this little stretch of river here. I just barely started exploring this river this morning. Not within, I don't know, 15 minutes, 2 fish already, so it looks promising. Alright guys, I want to show you something real quick. Like I was explaining earlier, with the fish being in that current and fighting so well, this is how powerful these fish can be. That hook, check out that hook. Well, first off, I'm using this Panther Martin spinning blade, inline spinner, black and yellow, and this is one of my favorite baits for this river. It catches me a lot of brown trout. Check out the hook on this thing. That is bent. You see that? That hook is bent. And that's from just 2 fish. The first one probably helped it out, but that second one really destroyed that hook. Fighting in that current, and with their fight together, That's how strong they can be. It bent that hook. So I gotta bend that hook back out, but that hook is compromised. So if I hook into a big fish, chances are he could get away. But I love this lure, the spinner, so I'm gonna keep using it. There we go. Better than it was. Let's get to fishing. All right, let's see if we can catch fish number 3. What I'm doing is going all the way across, right into the riffles. And you wouldn't think it, but those fish are staying right there in the fast current. So, no, I was hitting the calm water. There's calm water, then there's current and riffles. I was hitting the calm water, figuring the fish were just staying right there in the calm water, saving the energy. But no, they're in the fast current, so that's where I'm targeting now. There we go. Fish, guys. Oh, it's a jumper. We got a jumper. Oh man, he's coming right to me. He's coming right to me. I had so much slack in my line. Calm down, boy. Calm down. Awesome fish, man. He's a fighter. These river brown trout fight so hard. It's a little bit smaller than rest. Is that a rainbow? Nope, it's a brown. They get that little color to them. Sometimes I think for a split second they're rainbows. Look at that fish. Just took that spinner. Another beautiful brown trout, guys. What a fantastic day of fishing, man. I'm out here just enjoying the wilderness. I'm actually doing some camping, so I hit the river, doing some fishing. 3 fish within half an hour. There it goes. That fish did not hesitate. As soon as I put him in the water, boom, he was gone. He was ready to go. He was not having any part of me. He's like, I'm out of here. It's a beautiful day out here. It's about 70 degrees and sunny, so it's gonna be a beautiful weekend. That's what I'm out doing, just fishing. You know me, guys. If I ain't fishing, I ain't living. If you guys like trout fishing or river fishing for trout, guys, hit that thumbs up, man. Give me a like. I really appreciate it. Fish, guys. Oh, we got a fish. On the opposite side of the, oh, this one's really big. Dude, this one's feeling really good. I'm not gonna horse him. I'm gonna take him easy until I get him out of this current. Oh, he's going down river. We got a fish, guys. Fish number 4, and he feels good. Man, it's such a good day of fishing. This is what we live for right here, man. There he is. He's right in front of me. He's got another lure in his mouth. I think he's got another lure. What the heck is going on? Stop, buddy. Oh, he's bleeding. Yeah, he's got another lure in his mouth. This fish is a mess. Look at him. He's got obviously my lure, but there's also another lure in his mouth that he got away from another angler. Look at this. Let me get him some water here. Guys, look at this fish. This is my lure, but on this other side, he's got another angler's lure in his mouth. You guys see that? This lure right here, that is not mine. That's from another angler that he got away from. Crazy, but that's a nice fish. Look at that. That's a big brown right there. That's probably pushing, I don't know, 15. Beautiful fish though, look at that. I'm gonna unhook this one. That's someone else's lure. Now I'm gonna get mine back. Now I'm gonna let him go. There he goes. He is a trooper. He was bleeding a little bit, but he kicked off strong, so I think he'll be fine. That is the lure that I got off that brown trout. To me, that looks like an ice jig. I'm an ice fisherman. I'm not a fly fisherman, but that's probably some type of fly pattern, I'm assuming. I don't know, maybe you guys have seen this before. It's like a red soft plastic worm on a hook with a gold bead on there. I've never seen anything like that before, but I'm pretty sure that's a fly setup. You guys tell me, I don't know. But that's what we got out of that fish right now. So that one got away from someone. It wasn't their day. I bet they weren't happy, but I got them. Got their jig. I'm happy. So let's just keep fishing. This gold-bladed panther martin and black and yellow pattern, it's just killing it today, man. I haven't had to use any other lure. This is the only lure I've used so far today. First one I put on. I literally just turned off the camera, cast it, and I'm hooked up. We're hooked up, guys, and I think this is gonna be the last fish for the day. Because I got some other things I gotta do, but don't worry, I'll fish some more. I'll be adventuring other spots, but right now, we're gonna fight this fish, reel him in. That'll be the last one. Oh, he's sitting down just really good. But like I said before, it's hard to tell how big these fish are in that current. He's fighting good though. Okay, we're getting him out of the current. He's going back upriver. Man, this one's a fighter. Look at him, look at him. Can you see that shining flash up there just going upriver? I hope you guys can see that. Okay, I got him in the shallows. Oh no, he's on some sticks. There we go. Man, he's not that big. He was snagged, that's why he was fighting so weird. There's our last fish for the day. Unhooked. Beautiful brown trout. He's gonna sit there and get his breath, and then he'll take off when he's ready. There it goes. Back into the river. Alright guys, I had an amazing day out here fishing, man. Catching these brown trout, always a good time. Came out here, caught them right away, one after another. Like I said before, I got some other things I gotta do, so I'm gonna wrap the video up here. But if you guys like brown trout, hit that thumbs up. And for all you guys that are dropping likes, I really appreciate it. You guys rock, keep it up, man. But with that being said, remember guys, if you ain't fishing, you ain't living. I'll catch you on the next one. And remember guys, if you ain't fishing, you ain't living. I'll catch you on the next one.